Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Suci Afrita, NIM 1803842404030. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang progres dari project yang telah saya buat, yaitu yang pertama lesson plan. Di sini saya memasukkan subjeknya yaitu chemistry, terus time allocatednya 60 minutes, year semester 2020-21, dan semesternya semester 1. Di sini lesson plan-nya judulnya LO-nya yaitu 11.5 alkanes, terus LO-nya describe the test to distinguish between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons by the reaction with aqueous bromine. Terus di sini learning methodnya discovery learning. Di sini saya ada masukkan konten, learning and teaching activity, terus ada time. Kemudian learner activity-nya, medianya, PowerPoint about different saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Terus assessment-nya, student did post-test of the material that has been studied. Terus di sini teaching materials-nya, objective pertama, distinguish between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon by the reaction with aqueous bromine. Relate properties of different types of hydrocarbon to their structure. Hydrocarbons, saturated hydrocarbons, meaningnya di sini. Terus di sini ada properties of alkanes. Alkanes are non-polar, so in properties similar to those of alkanes in boiling points and physical states. Di sini saya masukkan aromatic hydrocarbons, hydrocarbon that have 6-membered carbon rings and delocalized electrons. Terus benzene is the primary aromatic hydrocarbon. Molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. Benzene does not behave chemically like an alkane structure of the benzene ring. Allow electron to be spread to delocalized p orbitals over the wall ring. Kemudian masuk ke instrument assessment. Di sini knowledge assessment grade tables. Education levelnya SMA atau high school. Kurikulumnya 2013. Subjeknya chemistry. Basic kompetensinya yaitu 11.5 alkanes. Kemudian ada learning output, berisikan describe the test to distinguish between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon by the reaction with aqueous bromine. Kemudian form of question. Di sini saya memberi 2 pertanyaan, give example of saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Kemudian find the difference between saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon by the reaction with aqueous bromine. Number of question 1 and 2. Assessmentnya from written test. Scoring guidelines, knowledge assessment. Question number 1, answer and score maksimal. Student score-nya turnover scores atau total scores dikali 100%. Terus attitude assessment-nya, number, student name, asking question, answer the question, suggest idea according to the topic discussed, put forward ideas with polite behavior, provide the solution. Kemudian untuk media, learning medianya di sini saya saturate and unsaturated hydrocarbon by reaction with aqueous bromine. Dan terbagi menjadi 3 di sini, saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons, kemudian reaction of alkanes with bromine. Yang pertama, the hydrocarbons that contain only carbon-carbon single bond, it's called saturated hydrocarbon. Di sini kita masuk ke materi pertama, yaitu saturated hydrocarbons. This include open the chain hydrocarbon as well as closed chain hydrocarbon. These compounds are called saturated because they have maximum numbers on bond hydrogen. Kemudian, if different carbon atoms, differentnya, are joined together to form an open chain of carbon atoms with single bonds, they are called alkanes. For example, 2-methylpropane, isobutane. If carbon atoms form a closed chain or ring, they are called cycloalkane. For example, cyclopentane. Kemudian yang keduanya yaitu unsaturated hydrocarbon. Kemudian ada pengertiannya, the hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon multiple bond, double bonds, or triple bonds are called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Depending upon multiple bonds, they are further classified as alkanes and alkenes. Alkanes, these are hydrocarbons which contain at least one carbon-carbon bond, for example, ethane. Alkenes, these are hydrocarbons which contain at least one carbon-carbon triple bond, for example, ethylene. Kemudian yang ketiga itu reaction of alkanes with bromine. Reaksinya, the electrophilic addition of bromine to ethane. Kemudian di sini ada mekanismenya. The reaction example of electrolytic addition. Di sini juga ada contohnya. Contoh juga. Kemudian contoh lain, electrophilic addition of bromine cyclohexane. Di sini ada mekanismenya. Nah, hanya itu saja yang dapat saya sampaikan mengenai progres dari yang saya buat. Mohon maaf bila terdapat kesalahan dalam penyampaian. Saya akhiri dengan wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.